Alright folks, this is Amtrak 529 Capital Corridor train. Final destination of that train is San Jose Teeterdown Station. Arriving at Oakland Coliseum, Oakland A Stadium. 2108 is the Steven Charger. Oops, what's the wrong button? 2108 leads off with 8310 Mount Hamilton in the back. Thanks to David Jones with the heads up of this set. Okay folks, this is Amtrak Capital Corridor train 529 on its way to San Jose. 8308 Mount Steven Charger with 8310 Mount Hamilton. Once again, this is 2108 and 8310 Mount Hamilton on that set. And there go that train off to San Jose. 528 is coming shortly. Alongside with the cotton bell on the side. So yeah, I'm Marcel Hall. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.